C is for cat with a purr so sweet. D is for dog, wagging his tail to greet. Come along and sing with me the ABCs of animals from A to Z. From the jungle to the farmyard, we'll explore all the creatures big and small. Let's learn some more. E is for elephant with a trunk so long. F is for fox, singing a playful song. G is for giraffe, reaching for the trees. H is for hippo, lounging in the breeze. Come along and sing with me the ABCs of animals from A to Z. From the jungle to the farmyard, we'll explore all the creatures big and small. Let's learn some more. I is for inchworm, crawling on the ground. J is for jellyfish, swimming all around. K is for koala, sleeping in a tree. L is for lion, proud and wild and free. Come along and sing with me the ABCs of animals from A to Z. From the jungle to the farmyard, we'll explore all the creatures big and small. Let's learn some more. M is for monkey, swinging branch to branch. N is for nightingale, with melodious chant. O is for octopus, with tentacles so neat. P is for penguin, whirling on his feet. Come along and sing with me the ABCs of animals from A to Z. From the jungle to the farmyard, we'll explore all the creatures big and small. Let's learn some more. Q is for quail with feathers so fine. R is for rabbit, munching on a vine. S is for snake, slithering with grace. T is for tiger, ruling his space. Come along and sing with me the ABCs of animals from A to Z. From the jungle to the farmyard, we'll explore all the creatures big and small. Let's learn some more. U is for unicorn, a magical sight. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for walrus, with tusks so grand. X is for zebra, scurrying through sand. Come along and sing with me the ABCs of animals from A to Z. From the jungle to the farmyard, we'll explore all the creatures big and small. Let's learn some more. Y is for yak, with woolly fur so thick. Z is for zebra, in black and white. He's slick, now we've reached the end. But don't you fear, the animal kingdom's vast, with wonders near and dear. We've sung from A to Z, what a joyful spree. Learn about animals so diverse and free. Until we meet again for another song's plea. Keep exploring and learning, let your curiosity let your curiosity be.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.